recalling only, revising all the topics only, since we already covered these topics last time. Okay, 502. Can you all see my slide? Can you all see my slide?
Can, teacher.
Can
you see my screen, Aldrich?
Okay, so using a calculator to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Okay, using a calculator is the same topic. Okay, let's get to know how to use a calculator. Okay, take your calculator. Okay, but I don't think so everyone is using the same model, correct or not? But as I said last time, to Adishwara is my brand, which is the Casio FX570MS. How about the others? Which brand you are
The
using?
teacher, is it FX570MS?
Yes, correct. Adish,
I
all
got
correct. Sheng En, Sheng Wei. Even the other calculator also, no problem. But I want the scientific and not the normal calculator. Yes, yes. I saw already, Chayangi. Louis saw, Dan la. I saw already. Okay. Okay, Herman, yes, Herman, correct. Jania, correct. Adish, correct. FX, this is the scientific calculator that I would suggest to you all. You know, this calculator, teacher, I bought for myself when 15 years ago. And I'm still using the calculator because I'm just changing the battery only. When the battery is gone, I just changed the battery. So I'm using the same calculator for 15 years. When I was 15 years old, okay, I bought this and I'm still using this calculator. Understand or not? So if the battery is gone, if cannot working, don't think your, your calculator is, cannot use or broken or what. You just have to change the battery. Understand? Okay, so your calculator maybe look different, but the work is still same. But as long as it is a scientific calculator, not the normal, the small calculator one, only the plus minus one. Understand? Okay, so I hope everybody know. I think I no need to repeat this. Okay, for example, all the keys you should know how to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Okay, let's say if you want to clear the display. If you want to clear the screen here, what you need to press usually?
AC.
AC, yes, you can press the AC button here. Okay, if you want, yes, equal is here, multiply is here, plus is here, divide is here, and minus is here. Correct or not? I think I no need to show the calculator to you. Even I can't even on the screen also to show. But since everybody got the calculator, you should know where is the buttons, all the multiply, plus, minus, and everything. Understand? AC is the clear button there. Okay, and then the second one, addition. You should know how to add this. 476 plus 201 using a calculator. How to plus? 476. I know this is the revision topic, but you should follow me, because you all using the calculator also in exam. Okay, your final term exam. So 476 plus 201, press the equal button. What is your answer? Supposed to get
677.
677. 677 meh? How to read the number?
677.
677. Okay, very good. And then subtraction again. 2338. You have to subtract 2338 from 6201 using a calculator. How? Which one minus which one? Which one minus which one? Class? Which one minus which one? All right. I'm talking to the wall, is it?
6,201 minus 2,378.
78?
70.
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. The question is different. Yeah, it's okay, but it's okay, even though it's a subtraction. Okay, how to get the number? Either refer this or refer this, either one lah.
Teacher,
Answers supposed to get 6201 minus 2378.
yeah, it will become 3,823.
Very good. Okay, multiplication. You have to multiply 378 by 105 using a calculator. So that's why teachers say I'll give you all the priority during the exam, final term examination. You can use your calculator only for the certain topics.
39,690.
Yes, 39,690. Okay, division. Divide 1,248 by 52 using a calculator. So press the following buttons in order. Which one you need to press first? The biggest number, 1,248, and then you press the divide button there. And then press 52, 5, 2 is equals to 24. Very good. So for this topic is done. That's it. Do I need to show anything regarding the calculator? All expert ready on how to use. I'm talking only about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, not other than that. Understand or not? Because this topic is only about the add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Do I need to repeat again on how to press the numbers on your calculator? Where is the plus sign, minus sign, division sign, multiplication sign, equal sign? Do you all know? Do you all know?
Yes, teacher, you know.
No, ready, So that's it for this topic. Only addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's it. Okay, I stop sharing, and this one is for 1.1. Okay, 1.2. Okay, wait, I'm stop sharing and I'm sharing the screen again for 1.2. Okay, can you all see the screen now? Can?
Can, teacher.
Okay, so for multiply and dividing whole numbers by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Can see, right?
Morning.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We are still in the same section, section 1. Section 1 is learning to use a calculator. But this one is 1.2 is about multiply and dividing whole numbers by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, so let's move to the second slide. And this topic is already covered last time, remember, for your first term examination. So I'm just revising the same topics. Multiply by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Remember or not, the paper 2 or paper 1, if I'm not mistaken, the last section, everybody don't know how to multiply the tens, hundred, and thousand, don't know how to take out the tens from the numbers, and so I give bonus marks for all the students. Remember or not? Even though you did the normal multiplication and division as well. Okay, so wow. Oh, okay. Wei Feng joined the call already. Wei Feng, are you in the call? No, students, I just want to remind you all, not only for Wei Feng. Okay, let's say, for example, if the students join after the class, because usually early class, teacher will update to the teacher Jasmine who is absent to my class. So those who join after the 9:30, please just call my name, just say teacher I just entered, or just say good morning. That's it. Then I know that students are joined the class. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Understand, teacher.
Understand,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, Wei Feng join. Let's learn to multiply without the use of a calculator first. Okay, so multiply by 10. As you all know, 1 times 10, 10. So there is 1, 1, 10. 2 times 10, 20. That means 2 tens there, 20. 3 times 10, 30. So 3 tens are here. And 4 times 10, 40. 4 tens. And 5 times tens is 50. That means 5 tens. Okay. Do you notice what happens to the digits of a number when it's multiplied by 10? What will happen to the number? Let's say if you multiply it by 10. What happened to the number after you multiply with the 10? You need to so all just silent, huh? You need to do what?
multiply it by 10.
Yes, what will happen to the number if you multiply
The-
by 10?
There will be
Add
number have
the-
0 in it.
Yes, you need to add the 0 only for 10 because 10 you should have to add 1 0 at the back. Okay. Whenever a number is multiplied by 10, the digit moves one place to the left and 0 is inserted in the ones place. Okay, as the box is shown here. Wait, okay, look at the box here, tens and ones. Okay, number 5 is in the ones place. What the sentence is mentioned is about whenever a number is multiplied by 10, the digit moves to one place to the left. That means the digit at the ones place, correct? The digit at the ones place move to your left. Move to your left means it moved to the 10th place and you need to add 1 0 at the ones place. Is it correct?
Yes, teacher. Correct.
Yes. Okay. And example here is for 5. 5 multiplied by 10. Can you all see? Initially, the 5 is at ones place. And then when you want to multiply it by 10, okay, when you multiply it by 10, it moves to the left place. Okay, and you need to insert 0 at the one place here. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And same goes to 5 times 10, 6 times 10, and 7 times 10, 8 times 10. So you need to add zeros as the ones place. So it will initially the number which at the ones place will move to your left. Okay, so as you can see from the table, each digit moves one place to the left and 0 is inserted in the ones place. Same goes to, I mean here, just now we have covered for 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, here the same, 9, 10, 10, 10, and 12, 10. But for the 10, 10 and 12, 10, 10 times 10 is equals to 100, correct or not? So 100 means the one should move to the left until the 100th place there. And then you need to add the 0 at 10th place and 1's place. Correct or not?
Yes,
Correct.
teacher.
Okay, so class grade 5, all still sleeping. No response?
Yes, teacher.
Only Daniel, Adish. How about the rest?
Yes, teacher.
How about the rest?
Yes, teacher.
Hello. How about the rest?
Yes,
I'm
teacher.
here, teacher.
Still the same. Yes, Herman. Josephine, Sheng En, Sheng Wei, Louisa, Jingze, Weifel, Jose. What happened? Can you all understand or not?
Teacher.
Yes, teacher. Okay, good. So
Yes,
here,
teacher.
Okay. So here, 115. Let's say the 115 you multiply with 10. Okay. Multiply with 10. But here, one is in hundreds place and one more one is in tens place and 5 is in ones place value here. Correct or not? Okay. When you multiply by 10, when you multiply by 10, how many zero you need to add at the back? How many zero you need to add at the back if you multiply by 10 means?
1.
Right.
1. Very good. So, as I said just now, when you want to multiply by 10, the numbers have to move to the left and you have to add the zero or else you can insert the zero at the ones place. So now it become 1150. Correct or not? And the second one also same. Okay, third one also the same. Okay, teacher want to ask what is the missing numbers? Can you all figure out the missing two numbers there when 4,889 multiplied by 10 and 1,001 multiplied by 10? What is your answers there? What is the answers there?
Teacher, for the first number or second number?
The last one, the last two numbers there. Okay, the first one, 4,889 multiplied by 10.
Okay.
What are the numbers should be in the all the place value? 10,000. What you need
So
to
they should-
insert there?
They should in 10,000 place 4,
Hmm?
The what country?
thousands place is 8,
No,
Hmm?
hundreds place is 8,
me.
Hmm?
tens place is 9, ones
Hmm?
place is 0.
Very good. How about the second numbers? Who wants to try? How to move it to the left? The last one, 1,001 multiplied by 10. Which numbers you need to insert in the second box there? Who wants to try? Who wants to try? Nobody wants to try, so we just end the call. You can do your own work. It's just simple question. When we multiply 10 with the 1,001, what you need to move? Class.
The zero.
Move the zero. Move the numbers to your left. Okay. So what is the number in 10,000 place now?
1,
1,000,
0,
100,
0,
10,
1,
ones.
0.
Good. Hello. Why you cannot tell? Is it? I have to tell one by one for you. Is it? Okay. Good. Okay. Work out these examples. Who can tell the answers for me? You can
Sure.
use your
I'm gonna
calculator
try.
as well. What is
Yeah.
the answer
I'm
for
gonna
number?
try.
One by one. One by one. Okay. One Chayangi.
1,500.
Wrong. Wrong. Even the question is
1,050.
yes, 1,050. Okay, second one, Daniel.
600.
600, teacher.
600. I call Daniel. Josephine, number 3. We are moving vertically. Number 3, Josephine.
2,980.
Very good. Number 4, Adishwara. All get alert. Oi. Okay, correct. 15,230. Herman, number 5.
Yeah. 24,450.
Very good. Wei Feng, number 6. Wei Feng, number 6. Don't waste the time, Wei Feng. Louisa, number 6, can.
Number 6.
This one. What is your answer?
8,000, 80,000, 8,060.
All right, wrong. Multiply.
Ayo, 18,
What?
then comma 500.
What? How to call the numbers? How to say? Faster. How to say? 80,
80,500.
very good. 80,500. Okay, good. Number 7 here. Sheng Wei, what is the missing number here since the answer is already given?
105.
Very good. Jose, what is the missing number there? Number 2. Sorry, number 8. 10. Very good. Okay. Jingze, what is the missing number here? Your answer supposed to get 78,990. Jingze, what is the missing number here? If you multiply it by 10. Yo, Jingze. Just now who tried? Sheng En or Sheng Wei just now?
Sheng Wei.
Sheng En.
Sheng Wei.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Sheng En, you can try the last question here.
7,899.
7,899. Okay, very good. Okay, so we move to the second slide. Adish can remove already, Adish, because I'm moving to next slide.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, see? Remove it. Okay, good. So this one, 4 times 20. That means 20. How many 20 should be there? 420. 4 times 20 is equals to 80. Okay, recall as what we learned just now. When we multiply 2 with the 10, that means 20 is equals to 2 tens. So same goes to here. 4 times 20 is 4 times 2 tens. 2 tens means how to take out the numbers from the 2 tens. That means 2 times 10. Can you all see here? So when you want to show the working here, okay, you multiply the two numbers first 8 and then you can put the 10 here. So 8 times 10 is equals to 80. Let's say if the question asks you all to use the method, this method, I mean the multiply by 10, 100 and thousands methods. I will write in the instructions usually as what I did like for your first term examination. Understand or not? Understand, huh? Okay. How to find this one? The first row has been done for you, so you may try for the second one. What we need to do? 42, okay, we multiply it by 6, correct? So you should get 252. But let's say if the question is asked, multiply by 60. But when you want to show the working, I want you all to take out the 6 and 10. Correct or not? Multiply by 6, multiply by 10. So it should be 60. So what is your answer if you multiply 42 with 60? Why is that so hard to open the mouth and answer for me?
Teacher,
Okay,
teacher,
please get your
it's
homework done now.
252,000.
This is the homework.
250.
Can you go to Edmodo and
2,500.
open
Very good. Okay, how to find? First, who can tell to teacher? Any volunteer? 148 multiplied by 6. You may use the calculator. Because this topic, you can use the calculator.
888, teacher.
888. When moving on to the next stage, what you need to do? Only can add the
Can
Okay, like what is
multiply 10.
father
multiplied by 10, and then what you should get here?
So here you see.
8,880.
Told his eldest son Neil
Okay,
that
very
he
good. Okay, number 3, Herman. What is your first answer?
1,536.
Very good. When you're moving on to the next stage, you have to multiply by
10.
then what is your answer?
15,360.
Very good. Okay, here also the same. Josephine, number 1. I mean the second row here. Josephine. Hey, don't waste the time lah, class. When teacher called, please immediately respond. We still have 30 minutes only. We need to cover 18 more slides. Josephine. Okay, who else want to try? Dania, the second row.
Um, 96.
Just give me the answer.
Oh. 672.
Okay, when move to the next place here, you need to multiply by only
70.
no 10. Remember or not, the 7 means you multiply by 7 and multiply by 10. So since here you already multiply by 10, here just jump, I mean just jumping into multiply by, yes, add 0, correct. So what your answer is supposed to get?
6,720.
Very good. Okay, the last one, Chia Yangi. Faster, Chia Yangi. Oi, faster lah. Chia Yangi, 198 multiplied by 7.
1,386.
Okay, what is the numbers for the next box? I mean, it's multiplied by 10.
13,860.
Yes, 13,860. Okay, very good. Can you all see the answers? Okay, Adishara, remove it. Done lah. Okay, so next. Now we will learn on multiply by 100 and 1,000. Okay, so 100, 100, 100. I mean 3 times 100 is 300. So that means 3 hundreds. And same goes to here. 9 times 100 is 900. That means 9 hundreds. You multiply hundreds with 9 times. And the 1,000 here. 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. So it should be 4 times thousands. And then 8 times 1,000 is 8,000. So 8,000s. I mean 8 times thousands. Any questions? By multiply by 10 just now. Multiply by 10 just now. Any questions? You just add 1 0 at the back. How about for the multiply by 100? You need to add 2 zeros at the back. Are you all focusing? And you all notice or not what happens to the digit after you multiply by 100 and after you multiply by 1000? Let's say if you multiply by 1000, what I said just now, the number still need to move to your left and you need to add 2 zeros for your 2 zeros at the right for your multiplication with hundreds, correct or not? Okay, for example, here there is a differences between hundreds and thousands. Let's say for 5 is in your ones place. Teacher said when you multiply by hundreds, so the 5 move to the hundreds place, so you need to add 2 zero, means you need to insert 2 zeros at tens and ones place. We only have less than 1 minute, so I end the call. Can you all please join again?